Blood groups. Two type of blood grouping has been done, ABO grouping and RH grouping. In ABO grouping, there is a specific surface antigen is present on RBC which could be A or B, and two natural antibodies are also present in the blood. Upon the basis of this antigen and antibodies, this grouping is done. Blood group can be, you can see in the table, blood group can be A, B, AB and O. Then you can see the surface antigen can be A, B, AB, nil, and then you can see the antibodies formed. In case of A, it's anti-B, in case of B, it's anti-A, in case of AB, it's nil, in case of O, it's anti-AB. Donors which can give blood, in case of A and O can give, in case of B and O can give, in case of AB, O can give, in case of O, only O can give. So, O is universal donor and AB is universal receiver. RH grouping. RH rhesus antigen is seen amongst monkeys, but this antigen is also found in number of human beings. It affects when the mother is RH negative and fetus is RH positive. So, in case or at the time of delivery, when fetal blood comes in contact with the mother blood during pregnancy, the fetus is well protected by placenta, but when the fetus is being delivered, the two bloods come in contact and mother starts forming antibodies against this RH antigen, and further in case of subsequent pregnancies, these antigens can enter fetus and can cause jaundice, destroy RBCs of the fetus and can lead to a fatal condition named as erythroblastosis fetalis. Coagulation of blood. It is a mechanism to prevent excessive loss of blood. Prothrombin is getting converted into thrombin. Prothrombin and thrombin are enzymes which need an enzyme complex named as thrombokinase for this conversion. This thrombin then activates inactive fibrinogen to form fibrin. You can see that whenever you are injured, there is a dark reddish brown scum formed over your injury. This is nothing but fibrin. So, the mechanism of coagulation of blood is prothrombin gets converted into thrombin with the help of thrombokinase. This thrombin activates inactive fibrinogen to form fibrin, which in turn form this dark reddish brown scum. Calcium ions are also responsible for the clotting of blood. Lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid. Whenever blood is passing through capillaries into the tissue, it passes leaving behind formed elements, larger proteins, and thus it forms interstitial fluid, which is also known as lymph. Lymph is moved or circulated in the body through lymphatic system. It consists of certain minerals and mostly water. It is responsible for the exchange of nutrients between blood and cells. It contains lymphocytes which are responsible for the defense mechanism of the body.